जीवन में जीवित रहने के लिए दो तरीके होते हैं, एक धारा के पक्ष में तैरते हुए और दूसरा उसी धारा के अगेंस्ट लड़ते हुए, मेहनत करते हुए जिंदगी जी जाता है। द चॉइस इज योर्स which one you should prefer. The first one can take you to a uncertain destiny. There you don't have any choice. But the second one, difficult. It is tough, but you can make your destiny yourself according to your choice. What is the role of blood in our body, in human body? Our blood is responsible for carrying out oxygen, hormones, sugar, fat, etc. throughout the body and helps to immune our bodily system. The three main functions of blood is transportation, protection and regulation. Blood transport oxygen and carbon dioxide from lungs to the rest of the body. Also transport nutrients from digestive tract to the rest of the body. That is actually transportation. In our blood, there is one thing that is called the white blood cell, T cell, which actually protects our body from any unwanted microorganism. And this is called protection. And number 3 is regulation. Blood also responsible for maintaining our body heat and water balance. That is regulation. So far we have understood that we need to purify our blood so that our body mechanism can work efficiently. Fortunately, we have two organs. One is liver and another one is kidneys. These two organs actually purify our body automatically. Our liver and kidneys are responsible to detox our body by purifying blood. If you can maintain a good health of these two organs, you no need to worry about your blood purification. So in this video, I will tell you how you can do blood purification through taking some simple steps. Jump. Self-healing. How to do? With your right hand, press firmly on your left hand. Vice versa, with the left hand on your right arm, right hand. And now chest, abdomen, back, front, belly, clockwise, then anti-clockwise, clockwise, then anti-clockwise, clockwise, head, stop, neck, One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release. 1, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15, 16, 17.
1 2 3 পুরো যাওয়ার উপর দিকে লাগাচ্ছি উপরে 1 2 3 hold 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 আস্তে 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 যেতে হবে হ্যাঁ ওরিয়ার 3 থেকে বডিটাকে লেভেলে নিয়ে আসতে হবে এই যতটা পারেন আর হাতটা মুদ্রা Cross your legs, twist your body, and make namaste. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and drop your hand. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Up.
I hope that you have understood what I mean to say, and that's all about today. And thank you so much for giving your valuable time. My name is Sammy, Yogi Sammy, signing off for the day. Take care. Bye bye. Lord Shiva bless you all. See you in next video. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.
ये एक cross.